Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Umakwela. Guys, Umakwela has a good relationship layer I can nomusa. I don't feel like uhebu girl. Like I don't feel like uhebu. And as much as yabona manje ukhulume ngosine guys. Yabo ethi usiname umenza umuntu omubi athi umngane wakhe and stuff. Yena bebaye emshadweni wahlangana naye lapho kuleyo ndawo leyo. Now she has to face ama-consequences usine azoza nawo manje because usine uyobukela ishow and macedile kuzoba nento azoyisho usine asho ukuthi no man mina nalo muntu sabangani and usamngena uthi they are not friends. Okay fine. And then macedile sijampe kwenye futhi indaba kuthiwe Umakwela can't go to hospital ngesikhathi esiyi-1 nabanye abafazi but ushadiwe. Yenziwa kanjani leyo nto leyo? And mind you, laba banye abafazi bathi bona abafuni ukumbona. So oyi-1 makazombona asithi beze ngesikhathi esi-1. Oyi-1 makazombona laphayana uzojika ahambe or bayi-2 bazojika bahambe. And I don't understand because labantu laba kumele bahlale ejardini eli-1. Mina I don't understand ngezakalani kuThando neSithembu yazi. So now yena noMacele kumele basneak in ukuze bambone abone indoda yakhe ise-hospital yagula. Like ngathi ma uyi-side chick mara ushadiwe. Ikhona le uMacele nokenza izinto mangobe ngabe uwenze kahle wakhuluma nabanye abafazi wakhuluma nabo nje. Yazi guys uMakwela naye uwumfazi wala endlini so ngicela ezazobona umusa esibhedlela. And it looks like uMakwela iyamlimaza le ndaba le ukuthi abanye abafazi abafuna ukuhlangana naye so kumele yena aye kusengathi ma uyi-side chick. She even cried live cabanga guys like uyabona ukuthi like lento le iyamlimaza naye ukuthi like ngishadile mara treatwa ngathi ngiyi-side chick. And besides that Umusa guys Umusa is kind of disrespectful towards Umakwela. Like akamuzwa like asikhuluma iqiniso akamuzwa. Bekakhuluma noMacele ethi yena akathanda ukuthi uMakwela ambize ngo-baby. Athi yena akasiyingane uMakwela wachoose ukuhamba ayojola nekhehla elidala so ufuna ukuthi am-respect. And mind you we all call abantu bethu ngabo babe because you literally ubabe wakho yena usafuna ukubizwa ngo-babe because ushiye zonke iy'ntanga zakhe wahamba wayojola nekhehla so kumele am-respect ambize ngobaba noma elinye igama nje not ubabe. Hey yo guys yazini le mntana lo uzifakile asikhulume iqiniso nje uzifakile and angazi-ke if ever vele u-pregnant and umtholile umntana khona. Umusa akakwazi ukukhuluma abafazi bashilo bonke so she has to be strong plus ubuya nokuyogula uyoba worse nje ugirl nje ufike ngesikhathi esi-wrong. But ke guys what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.